Hi, I'm Vijay, and this is a video for demonstrating my creative work in lesson 4 demo. So I have implemented the favorite icon uh, over here. So this is the code for favorite icon, and I also added a dividend over here, which separates the two different books or items from each other, and I have kept a height over here, which also makes some height difference between them, and a color which also makes a difference between them. And coming to book page, I have added one more one, which is the rental price for it. So here I added the rental price, which shows uh, the rent amount for the book, and over here I have added the validate button for it. Here I added the save rent the save rent function to save the rent, and also the validate rent button over here to see if no negative value is given or neither non-integer is given. So that's it. Thank you.